In this lecture, we'll install Jenkins on our local box. Just Google Install Jenkins. Let's scroll down and click the Jenkins installation and setup page. Then click the Downloads on the top left. Let's download the LTS release, which is a long-term support release. The current LT release is 2.7.2. Just mouse hover the red button with LTS release version. It displays a drop-down menu with all different operating systems that Jenkins supports. Since I'm using Mac, I just click Mac OS X. If you're using other operating systems, just click the one that matches your operating system. Now it's downloading the Jenkins installer for Mac. I'm fast-forwarding the video until the download is complete. After the installer is downloaded, let's open it up. Just click Continue to proceed. Then agree to the license agreement. Then type your password to continue. After the installation is complete, the installer launches the browser and opens up localhost port 8080, which is the default port that Jenkins runs on. For the sake of security, Jenkins has written the initial login password for admin user to the following file. Let's copy the file path and display the file content in a terminal. Oops, we don't have permissions to access this file. Just add sudo to run the command with security privileges. See? We have retrieved the admin password. Just copy the password, go back to the login session and paste it to the input box, and click Continue. Now Jenkins is suggesting us to install some Jenkins plugins. We'll talk more about plugins later. For now, we just click the cross sign on the top right to skip the step. Finally, Jenkins is ready. Click Start using Jenkins. Now we're logged in Jenkins. First thing we do here is to change the admin password to something more meaningful so that we don't have to copy and paste the lengthy random string each time we log into Jenkins. Just click this admin user account on the top right. Then Configure. In the password section, just type the new password. Click Save. We're done with resetting the password. So next time you can use admin user ID and the password you just set to log into Jenkins. That's it for this lecture. I hope you've enjoyed it.